Welcome to Harijeevan Question Bank. இதில் TNPSC Group 2 and Group 2A தேர்வு வழியாக செலக்ட் செய்யும் Group 2 இன்டர்வியூ போஸ்ட் 33யும் Group 2A நான் இன்டர்வியூ போஸ்ட் 18யும் பார்க்கலாம். இதற்கு எஜுகேஷன் குவாலிஃபிகேஷன் இஸ் எனி டிகிரி மட்டுமே. Group 2 போஸ்ட் டோட்டல் 33 போஸ்ட் இன் இன்டர்வியூ போஸ்ட் பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். 1. Deputy Commercial Tax Officer. 2. Municipal Commissioner Grade 2. 3. Junior Employment Officer Non-Differently Able. 4. Junior Employment Officer Differently Able. 5. Sub-Registrar Grade 2. 6. Assistant Inspector of Labor. 7. Assistant Section Officer other than Law and Finance Department. 8. Assistant Section Officer Law Department. 9. Assistant Section Officer Finance Department. 10. Assistant Section Officer in the Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. 11. Assistant Section Officer cum Programmer. 12. Assistant Section Officer Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly Secretariat Service. 13. Probation Officer Social Defense. 14. Probation Officer Prison Department. 15. Industrial Co-Operative Officer Industries Commissioner and Director of Industries and Commerce. 16. Women Welfare Officer Social Defense. 17. Deputy Inspector of Survey Director of Survey and Settlements. 18. Senior Inspector of Co-Operative Societies in Registrar Co-Operative Society. 19. Receptionist Tamilagam Guest House Udagamandalam. 20. Supervisor of Industrial Co-Operatives Industrial Commissioner and Director of Industries and Commerce Department. 21. Project Assistant Adi Thiravidar and Tribal Welfare Department. 22. Audit Inspector in the Audit Wing Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments Administration Department. 23. Assistant Inspector of Local Fund Audit Department and Internal Audit Department. 24. Supervisor Senior Clerk Head Accountant Junior Superintendent in the Tamil Nadu Agricultural Marketing Subordinate Service. 25. Assistant Jailer Prison Department. 26. Assistant in Revenue Department. 27. Executive Officer Grade 1 in Town Panchayat Department. 28. Special Assistant in DVAC. 29. Handloom Inspector. 30. Special Branch Assistant in Intelligence Wing of Police Department. 31. Senior Inspector of Co-Operative Societies in Milk Production and Dairy Development. 32. Assistant Inspector of Labor. 33. Audit Assistant in Accounts Branch in Highways Department. Next. Group 2A Non-Interview Post. Total 18 post பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். 1. Accountant in the Treasuries and Accounts Department. 2. Junior Co-Operative Auditor. 3. Assistant in Secretariat other than Law and Finance. 4. Junior Technical Assistant Civil Supplies Department. 5. Personal Clerk other than Law and Finance Department. 6. Personal Clerk Law Department. 7. Personal Clerk Finance Department. 8. Personal Clerk in the Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. 9. Personal Clerk Tamil Nadu State Planning Commission. 10. Steno Typist in Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly Secretariat Service. 11. Assistant in various departments. 12. Assistant in Secretariat Department Finance Department. 13. Assistant in Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. 14. Lower Division Clerk in Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly Secretariat. 15. Planning Junior Assistant. 16. Receptionist Small Savings Department. 17. Assistant in Law Department. 18. Assistant in Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly Secretariat. Thank you.